Have you ever heard about a unique polydactyl cat called the Owyhee Bob? Today we're diving deep into this experimental feline breed that's making waves in the cat community. The Owyhee Bob, also known as the Mountain Bob, was created through intentional breeding of Siamese and Manx cats. This breed is registered with the American Cat Association, but recognition by other associations requires more breeding operations. One unique characteristic of the Owyhee Bob is that it's polydactyl, meaning these cats have extra toes. This trait comes from its Manx heritage, while also inheriting sleek features from Siamese cats. The breeding process for the Owyhee Bob was initially accidental, but later became intentional. This breed is part of the bobtail genera and carries the genes of both Manx and Siamese breeds. The Owyhee Bob has a distinct look with mink and sepia coat colors thanks to the genetic influences of both parent breeds. Their unique appearance sets them apart from other cat breeds. As an experimental breed, the Owyhee Bob is still gaining recognition in the feline world. More breeding operations are needed for wider acceptance by cat associations like the Cat Fanciers Association. The Owyhee Bob is a fascinating blend of Manx and Siamese traits, offering a unique contribution to the cat world. This breed showcases how intentional breeding can lead to new, experimental feline varieties. So there you have it, a deep dive into the Owyhee Bob, an experimental cat breed with unique traits from both Manx and Siamese cats. What fact about this breed surprised you most? Let us know in the comments.